This is English 4, unit number 11, appearances. In this video, we are going to talk about grammar, the structure have got, for possession, by teacher wvinueza. Objectives. First, we're going to use have got in affirmative, negative, interrogative sentences and short answers. Then we're going to notice the difference between have got and have. And finally, we're going to practice asking and answering questions. Let's start. Have got is used for possession, and it can replace the verb have that means tener. We're going to check the structure for affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. We can use the short form, it means the contraction, abbreviating the verb have or has according to the subject using the apostrophe. So we can say I've got. That is the same to say I have got. You've got or you have got. He's got, he has got. She's got, she has got. It's got, it has got. We've got, we have got. You've got, you have got. And they've got, they have got. So in affirmative sentences, you can use the contraction or the full form. Negative sentence. For the negative sentence, we have to include not next to the verb. So we have I haven't got, you haven't got, she hasn't got, she hasn't got, it hasn't got, we haven't got, you haven't got, and they haven't got. For the interrogative sentences, we have to use the verb first. In the verb first, in this case, have or has go first. Have I got? You have got. Has he got? Has she got? Has it got? Have we got? Have you got? And have they got? Remember, he, she, it use has plus got. I, you, we, and they use have got. And here we have an example. We can say, I've got big, round, green eyes. Remember the order of the adjectives. Size, shape, color, and then the noun. Have got versus have. We're going to check the difference with these two expressions, so these two verbs that mean the same in affirmative sentences. So we're going to talk about Brad Pitt, his physical description. We can use has got or the short form got or just the verb has. So we can say he has got a small round blue eyes or he has a small round blue eyes. We can also say he has got a small mouth with full lips or he has a small mouth with full lips. He has got medium length, straight and blonde hair or he has medium length, straight and blonde hair. He's got an oblong face or he has an oblong face. He has got fair skin complexion or he has fair skin complexion. Only has got or have got can be abbreviated. Okay, so when you see apostrophe s plus got, it means has got. When you see apostrophe ve plus got, it means have got. Have cannot be abbreviated in the simple present tense. You cannot say I've blue eyes or she's blue eyes, because in this case when we use the contraction, it means that we're talking about the verb to be. So if we translate this sentence, it would say ella es ojos azules, and that's not right. So remember, we cannot abbreviate have or has in the simple present tense. Have got versus have in negative sentences. Now we're going to use has plus not plus got, or the short form hasn't got. And talking about the verb have, simple present tense, we have to use does plus not plus have, or doesn't have. Let's check the difference. He hasn't got big and dark eyes, or he doesn't have big and dark eyes. Notice here that when we use the auxiliary in the simple present tense, doesn't, we don't use has anymore. We have to use have, the verb in the infinitive, have. He hasn't got a big mouth with thin lips. He doesn't have a big mouth with thin lips. He hasn't got long, curly, and black hair. He doesn't have long, curly, and black hair. He hasn't got a square face. He doesn't have a square face. He hasn't got dark brown skin complexion. He doesn't have a fair skin complexion. In the negative sentences with have got, has got, we use the verb have or has plus not, or the short form haven't got or hasn't got. In the negative sentences with have and has, simple present tense, we must use the auxiliaries do and does for the negative form. So we can use don't have or doesn't have. Have got versus have in interrogative sentences and short answers. When we have a question with has got, we have to use the verb has or have in first place. When we have a sentence with the verb have in simple present tense, we need to use the auxiliaries do or does. In this case, does, because we are talking about he. Let's compare. Has he got big and dark eyes? Does he have big and dark eyes? And the short answer, no, he hasn't. We use the same verb as in the question. And no, he doesn't. We use the same auxiliary that we use in the question. Has he got a big mouth with thin lips? Does he have a big mouth with thin lips? Has he got long, curly, and black hair? Does he have long, curly, and black hair? Has he got a square face? Does he have a square face? Has he got dark brown skin complexion? Does he have dark brown skin complexion? In the interrogative sentences with have got, has got, we use have plus subject plus got. Has plus subject plus got. In short answers, we need to use yes, subject pronoun, plus have or has, and no plus subject pronoun, plus hasn't or haven't. It depends. When it's negative, we start the answer with no, and if it is affirmative, we start the answer with yes. In the interrogative sentence with have or has, simple present tense, we must use the auxiliaries do and does for the interrogative form. So we need does plus subject plus have, or do plus subject plus have. In short answers, we have to use yes plus subject pronoun plus do or does, and no plus subject pronoun plus do, don't, or doesn't. Remember, the auxiliaries depend on the subject pronoun. He, she, it, does, and the rest do. The same with has got or have got. If we use he, she, it, use has or hasn't, and for the rest you have to use have or haven't. Practice. What does she look like? So here we have the picture of Shakira. I know that you have some knowledge about her personal information, so we're going to talk about that first. What general information you know about Shakira? So take your time, take your notes, and then you check with the information I'm going to share here with you. So I can say that she's Shakira, she's a singer, she's from Colombia, she's middle-aged, and she's medium height and slender. Now you will have to answer the question, what does she look like? Using have got, or in this case has got because we're using she, and the verb have, but in this case has because we're talking about she. So now you can stop the video, take your time, write your ideas, and then you can compare with the ones provided here. If you have any troubles, you can come back, you can rewind the video and check the explanation again. Okay, using has got, we can say that she has got big, round, dark eyes, or she has big, round, dark eyes. She has got a small mouth, or she has a small mouth. She has got long, wavy, and blonde hair, or she has long, wavy, and blonde hair, but it's not natural. She has got tan skin, or she has tan skin. So here you can use has got or has to talk about her physical appearance. Now answer the following questions. Remember, we're talking about Shakira, so the questions are about her physical appearance. Question number 1. Has she got brown hair? 2. Does she have dark eyes? 3. Does she have white skin complexion? And 4. Has she got long, wavy, and blonde hair? Now stop the video again, take your time, write your answers, and then compare with the solution. Okay, now let's check the answers. Has she got brown hair? No, she hasn't. Her hair is blonde. Notice here that the question tells us how we should write the short answer. As the question starts with has, it means that we have to use also has in the short answer. Has she got brown hair? Her hair is not brown, it's blonde. So we have to say, no, she hasn't. Her hair is blonde. Does she have dark eyes? Yes, she does. Notice here, now we are using does, the simple present tense. So the question already tells us how to answer. Yes, she does. Question number 3. Does she have white skin complexion? Check her skin. It's not white, it is tan. So we can say no, she doesn't. She has tan skin. So doesn't, no, she doesn't is the short answer, and you can also provide extra information. She has tan skin. That's the same we did in the first answer. No, she hasn't, the short answer. Her hair is blonde. We complement our answer with more information. Last question. Has she got long, wavy, and blonde hair? Yes, she has, but it's not natural. Now the question again starts with has, so we have to use has in the answer. Yes, she has, but it's not natural. Okay, don't forget that this is an exam question. How to notice the difference between has got, have, and has. So you can watch this video as many times as you need in order to be clear with this difference. I hope this video helped you, and thank you very much for your time and attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye.